You created your first ebook, finally, and you found a way to sell it, but now you need to provide a shareable link to the ebook and you have no idea how to do it. If that's you, fear not, I got you covered. There are so many ways of how you get a shareable link. You can use Google or Dropbox, but in this tutorial, I will show you AWS because I think it looks more professional. So here's a super easy tutorial on how you can easily upload your ebook on AWS in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to AWS. The easiest way is to just click on the link down in the description below, so you don't have to Google it. And then you have to create an account if you don't have one yet. But if you have one, you just sign in as a root user. So I will just meet you at the dashboard once you fully created your account. Okay, so once you're in the console, you should see something called buckets here. And let me actually move my screen down here. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on create bucket. Okay, now I need to move my screen again. Let's do this. Once you're here, you need to name your bucket. One of the big things is there are no spaces allowed and it's all lowercase. So mine's gonna be side hustle road map. Okay, and then you can choose the region. I would just leave the one that you have here because it automatically updates. And then you need to click on ACLs enabled. This is key because this is really important later on because we want to give public access to your bucket. So you just leave it by bucket owner preferred. And then you can see here, block public access setting for this bucket. So again, because it's going to be a shareable link to anyone who purchased your ebook, you're actually going to turn this off. And then it will give you a warning and you say, I acknowledge. And then bucket versioning, if you want to update, for instance, your ebook, it will automatically do this. I will have it disabled for this purpose. And then you leave everything else like this. Yep. And then you create a bucket. And you can see here, side hustle roadmap created. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna find it right here. And now you're going to upload your PDF right here. So let's go to upload. And then you click on add files. I'm gonna add this checklist right here. And then you click the check and you click on upload. So now it's uploading. Takes a little bit of time. We're almost there. Okay, perfect. Now what you're gonna do is you click on this side hustle checklist. Okay, now here comes the most important part. Now, when you clicked on this, you click on permissions. And on these permissions, you click on edit. And once you're here, what you will do is you basically, I always remove all of these, but then I click on read, and you will see that there is an alert because again, you're giving access to this bucket to the public. So you got all of this and you click on save changes. And then you see here something called object URL. So if you click on this one, you will see the ebook. Okay, so what does that mean? Now you use this link, you basically click on it and then you click on a Mac Command and C. And then let's say you go to your email provider. I have like an entire tutorial, by the way, around Flowdesk. If you're interested in this, I will make sure to put in the description down below. But what you can do here now is I have this workflow set up that whenever someone purchases the roadmap, they can get this email. Click on edit. And then you see here, download now. So I click on this and I will just copy paste the link of the document that I just uploaded. And that's literally it. Also, if you're new to my channel, I'm Fabi. I'm a side hustle coach and I help people like you to create a business they love while working in a 9-to-5 without burning out. So if you're all about creating that personal financial freedom for you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I have a bunch of other really great tutorials that I think you will really like. So check these out.